Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can cleanse your crystals using sound healing. So to cleanse your crystals with sound healing you will need a singing bowl. So this is my pink and blue sound bowl, which is made from pure quartz crystal. And the singing bowl that I have is the G note 44OHZ frequency. So when you are choosing your singing bowl, you may want to pick a certain colour and a colour that really resonates with you. I love the colour blue because it's super calming. So what you will need to do to cleanse your crystals, you will want to lay them around the singing bowl just like I've done. And you can lay way more than this. This is just an example. But this is the sort of distance you're going to have your crystals around the bowl. So what I love about this method for cleansing crystals is it's super fast. It's super effective, and I feel like if you have a large collection you can do them all at once. Some crystal cleansing routines, you know, you have to do stones individually and it can take up a lot of time. So if you have a big collection, I highly recommend doing this routine. So you may want to cleanse your bowl, obviously as if you're using it for the first time and it's made of quartz crystal. And you may want to cleanse the water with some Palo Santo or any kind of smudging herb. This is just something I always do before any kind of cleansing routine because I feel like it really does cleanse the space as well. But this is optional because obviously you don't have to do this, but it's just something I really like to do to kind of set the mood. So as you can see, I've filled my quartz bowl with water. So this again is optional. You can have water or you can have no water. There's no, right or wrong here. It's up to you if you want to include water in with your cleansing. So sound bowls can actually be used for crystal baths as well. So you can pop your crystals in the water and they can be held under water or immersed in water to wash any negativity away. But if you are using a singing bowl, do not place the crystals inside the bowl whilst you are using the sound, because that can damage the crystal. So that high vibration could damage them. So if you want to use them as a crystal bath, just do not play the frequency. So I actually have some rose petals here that I'm just going to throw in my water. So I feel like this adds to the cleansing routine. It makes it look super pretty as well. And I feel like rose has amazing properties of, love, luck, protection and happiness. So now everything is ready. We've cleansed the air. We've got our crystals ready. We have our water and our rose petals. You will have a wand that comes with the singing bowl. So now I'm going to go straight into the demo and tutorial. So I'm just going to tap the bowl and then do circular motions. And then you can go the other way. So I really love using water because you can see the ripple effect and the frequency running through it. So you can also tap your bowl like this and let the sound run. But I love sound bowls because they are excellent for meditation and cleansing crystals. Sound is one of the most effective cleansing methods available. So I recently found this out, and this has been a new way that I have cleansed my crystals recently. So it is believed that gentle vibration created by a tuning fork or a singing bowl can help clear negative energy quickly and effectively. So the vibrations created with sound helps break up any stuck negative energy in the crystals, and that the musical frequency of the process restores the harmony of the crystal. So in essence, sound sends vibrations into the environment which penetrate the structure of the crystals. This method is particularly useful if you have a large collection of crystals and you wish to cleanse them at the same time, as I said. So that is basically why we use sound to cleanse the crystals. So I find this as a super effective way to cleanse crystals. It's also really healing. It's great for meditation. So there's so many ways you can use this at the same time. But I absolutely love this way. I love the sound. Obviously, if you're not keen on the sounds, maybe look at the different notes that you can get for your sound bowl. So I also want to mention that, you know, you can do this for as long or as little as you want, depending on how you feel, how the sound has affected you and your crystals, okay? So when you know, I feel like you will know. I feel like I don't have to do this long, and I feel like my crystals have really received the frequency from the sound bowl. So I feel like that is everything you need to know, really. It's such an easy and simple thing to do. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you if you are thinking of getting a sound bowl. And I'm going to end this video just by playing the sound bowl for you.